Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's great to have you. Today we're checking out a sleek and surprisingly powerful device, the QDDQ P80 Android 14 tablet. With a full bundle that includes a keyboard, mouse, and stylus, this tablet promises to do it all. Let's dive in and see how it performs. First off, this tablet runs on the latest Android 14, bringing smooth performance and the latest features from Google. It's got 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte. That's more than enough for apps, documents, and all your media. The display is impressive, a 11-inch IPS 2K screen that's sharp and vibrant. Thanks to Widevine L1 support, you can enjoy HD streaming on platforms like Netflix and Hulu. The screen also reduces blue light, which helps protect your eyes during longer use. Under the hood is a powerful Octa-Core processor, optimized for speed and energy efficiency. Paired with an 8,000 mAh battery, the tablet easily lasts through a full day of work, study, or entertainment. It's also great for mobile gaming and video playback. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0, making connections fast and stable. The 5-megapixel front and 8-megapixel rear cameras are ideal for Zoom calls or casual photography. With dual stereo speakers, the sound quality is crisp and immersive. And yes, it's a 2-in-1 device. You get a Bluetooth keyboard, wireless mouse, stylus, and a protective case, all included. Whether you're typing, drawing, or browsing, this tablet adapts to your needs with ease. Overall, the QDDQ P80 packs a ton of value into one sleek package. Whether you're a student, traveler, or casual user, this tablet could be your next favorite device. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to chat. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.